This is Rachel from Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to make the plain hexagon from the Happy Little Tree Relax Scan pattern. And last video we made the rose hexagon, and now we're going to make the plain hexagon. And in a separate video, I'll show you how to join them together. So this is the rose that we made for the last video, and with the remainder of the cutie pie, it's a 10-gram ball. The little skeins are tiny, so this is the remainder of the rose that we made. And with this, we're going to be able to make the solid hexagon, the plain hexagon, and also have a little bit left over for the border of our blanket whenever we get there. So you can use this plain hexagon for any pattern, but I'm using it for the Happy Little Tree Relax Scan. So I've made my slip knot, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up and make 3 chains. You can chain 4, or you can make a magic circle, magic ring, whatever you like. And into the third chain from the hook, go ahead and make a slip stitch so that you have your ring. And in the center of your ring, make a beginning DC. And this is gonna be a single crochet and a single crochet and a chain 1. All right, so that's your first DC of the round, the beginning DC, single crochet, chain 1. And then we're going to chain 1 again, and we're going to make 2 double crochets. Okay, 1 and 2, and then chain 1. And that's our repeat. Just make 2 double crochet, chain 1 until you have a total of 12 double crochet, including the beginning double crochet. So you're going to make this little group of 2 DC 5 times, and then 1 more DC, and then we're ready to join our rounds. And I'll show you guys how to do that whenever we get there. Okay, so my round is complete. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 2 double crochet each, with a chain 1 in between. Here's our chain space in between. And on my hook, I have a DC. So I did a chain 1 and a DC. And that way I can join it to this beginning DC here to make our 6th group of 2 DC. So this is the beginning DC we made at the beginning, and then I have a single crochet, a chain 1 that makes up that beginning DC. So I'm going to grab that chain and make a slip stitch, and just make sure your slip stitch lies nice and loose over your joining stitch, and you're ready to work into the chain space. And that way it makes your joining stitch look just like the rest of the other stitches. So into this chain space, you're going to make a beginning DC, go straight into making your single, and then make a chain 1, and then chain 1 again for the corner. All right, so now I'm still working over my yarn tail, but I'm gonna keep it at the back so it doesn't peek through the front. So make a double crochet in the same chain space. Then you're gonna DC in these 2 DC stitches here. 1, 2. Okay, and then you're gonna make your corner, which is in this chain space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And that's your repeat. So you're just going to make double crochet in these 2 doubles, and then double, chain 1, double for the corner into this chain space. All right, so I will be back to show you guys how I join the round as soon as I have this round complete. So my round is complete now, and what I have on my hook is my last double crochet of the round. So I'm ready to join to the first beginning DC there. So I'm going to grab the chain, make a slip stitch. Okay, so into our chain space, again, we're going to make a beginning DC, single crochet, chain 1, and then chain 1 for the corner, and then make a full DC into that chain space. And same thing, we're just going to make double crochet into these 4 doubles here to make the side of our hexagon. Okay, and then our corner, just like the other corner, was double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. All right, and that's our repeat join. So I've got my last double crochet there. I'm ready to pick up that chain from our beginning DC, make my slip stitch, and I'm going to make about an 8-inch, 6 to 8 inch tail. So I'm going to cut and pull my tail out. And normally what I would do is weave this in, but I'm actually going to use this tail to join the hexagon onto our blanket. So in a separate video, I'm going to show you how to join these two motifs together, but this is our plain hexagon motif. You can use it for any blanket, but I'm using it for the free Happy Little Tree blanket from the Relax Scans series. This is the 6th blanket in that Relax Scan series. If you'd like to check it out, it's 6 free blanket patterns designed with peace in mind, and it's at cypresstextiles.net. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plain hexagon, and I will see you guys in the next video.